bought these for the shit box. I got sent into a treat before I could actually install them, so luckily I have brand new coils for 2.0. They are Stance ST Plus. All I know is I've been running Stance for years, and I love them. Excited, much excited.
Doing this wrong, huh?
Excuse me?
Either way, bottom to the top.
Oh, that flossy paint you just chipped.
Where did I chip it? On the inside of the fender?
Papa Smurf ain't gonna be happy.
Check this out.
Oh, there's another piece in there too.
I was gonna do that at first, you freaking jerk. But check this out. Really got you.
I didn't look. Well, alright.
Reps, son. Every day is gym day! Gains!
Gains, man! Spot me, man! Si, senor, but that's attached to the subframe, so it's not like this is gonna bounce.
Oh. Where's that other jack so this can just be like supported so your axles just bounce?
I don't care. That's fine.
Bounce. You serious?
Bounce. Yeah, I'm serious.
Dude, I had a Touareg CV boot come apart.
Volkswagen.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Got Nissan here.
I'm just saying.
Look at the abuse these things go through. Oh yeah? It's the other side of 17.
I need 17 there, doctor.
The socket's over there. I would just use that since it's close. There. Ready?
I don't know which way I'm holding.
You're going to be pushing, so brace down there if you can.
Bracing.
Brace for impact. Yeah, well, no, it is, but it keeps it at the same, otherwise it's going. So when do we hire Abel to do this full time anytime we want to record?
When he shows up on time. Boo 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 boo!
Show up over 3 hours later.
It was an hour! Oh hey, I got Dutch Bros. You guys want some? I'm not gonna leave. Get you some.
Yeah. This is good, huh? Here, yeah, everyone try it. You want some? Cool.
Yeah, okay, I'll just man the camera and not get Dutch Bros.
Right?
Look at the person with the most energy drink running through their veins is manning the camera.
Well, we had a NOS earlier.
This is the only tool you need.
Yep.
See this dent?
I do now.
I can fix it, just got hit from the inside now.
Oh yeah!
I hate having my head underneath the rotor, it's always sketchy.
Yeah, but then you put a dope ass meme like Abel did. Be a hollow back girl.
Just for the record, I hate all of you.
Commentary by Abel.
We'd hate you a lot less if you got us all Dutch Brothers, but...
I did. I only had $5. We all have to share.
Oh my god. And of course, all it needed was like that extra, 2 turns before the damn thing would break loose on its own. So all those arms are out. So I'll start putting this side in. what'd you do to your car?
Put this out so you can kind of see. Got the heater hoses on, fuel lines on, exhaust is on now. Just need to plug some stuff in. MAF is on, kind of where I want it. Kind of an awkward spot, honestly.
In the ballpark, but
yeah. Radiator's in, clutch fan is in, and bolts are tight.
Are you sure?
Why?
Because there's just one just hanging right here.
Oh no, well I...
It's such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's...
Also, we finally reached 1,000. I know it's very small, but to us, it's amazing that you guys, you know, support and watch these videos and share them with your friends. So please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. It does help us out, kind of keeps us going to keep putting out these weekly videos for you. But that will pretty much conclude for today's video. We got everything cleaned up, ready to just go relax inside and start editing. So we'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.